KÄÄPÄ Biotech is a company focused on producing really high-quality mushroom products. When we started looking at this global mushroom supply kind of situation, we saw a big boom. We saw the science behind it, we saw a lot of clinical trials, and we said, okay, this is going to become big. But we have this big problem, right, that the supply of chaga is currently wild foraged. How long can that be going on, right? We started the company with the first ethos of trying to solve that problem.
Chaga is a special fungi in the sense that it requires a living birch tree to grow, and that's why we are working together with Finnish forest owners to ensure our supply of high-quality organic chaga. We have this ready-made program for forest owners so that we offer an inoculation service, harvesting service, and all the steps along the way.
At KÄÄPÄ Biotech, what's really important to us is this concept of spore to extract. A spore of a mushroom is effectively like the seed of a plant, right? You need to control that DNA. You need to know what you're working with. You need to have tested it. You need to go through 30, 40 different strains and find out which is the most potentially bioactive. Then, from that strain, we can transfer that. That can be onto a wooden dowel.
We cultivate chaga by drilling holes in the trees and putting in wooden dowels that contain the mycelium. We drill 4 holes into each birch tree, and then the chaga grows in the birch tree about 10 years without any human interference. Already when they are starting with the program, they know that we are going to buy their harvest.
There's a recent study published where they looked at 19 of the top medicinal mushroom products sold in the Italian market. And what they found out of these 19 products is that only 5 of those were actually the DNA of the species that it said it was. So our company wanted to take an entirely different approach. There's compounds inside of chaga that are actually responsible for the health benefits. So what we had to do was build that entire testing methodology with globally recognized laboratories. So that's been a huge job here at KÄÄPÄ and something that we're very proud of being able to establish.
Chaga is often grown in low-value, downy birch forests. Chaga growing offers a possibility to actually get income from forests that usually would be very low value. And at the same time, when we cultivate fungi in forests, we increase the deadwood and the biodiversity of the forests.
So the global medicinal mushroom market is estimated between 27 and even over 30 billion just in 5 years. Our company is leveraging this big demand that we have from our global partners right now. We're currently raising some money in an equity round, and that money is going to be used toward buying a whole new factory where we're going to be expanding. Let's say last year was a fantastic kind of milestone for our company, having revenue of €1 million. But what we're limited by massively right now is supply. Within 2.5 or 3 years, we'll be doing about 12 million net in revenue. So, going forward, KÄÄPÄ is looking at basically taking the position of the leading top quality ingredient supplier globally. And now with our partners in North America, South Korea, and across Europe, we really feel that that's an achievable thing in just maybe 2 or 3 years from now.